Today I'm going to teach you how to give access to a private GitHub repository. This is essential when you need to collaborate with team members or share your private code with specific people while keeping it secure from public access. First, open your web browser and navigate to github.com. Once you're on the homepage, log in using your credentials. After logging in, you'll be directed to your GitHub dashboard where you can see all your repositories. Now look at the upper left panel of your screen. This is where all your repositories are listed. Click on the private repository that you want to grant access to. This will open up that specific repository and take you to its main page, where you can view all the files, commits, and other details. Next, direct your attention to the top toolbar of the repository page. Here you'll find several tabs including code, issues, pull requests, and more. Click on the Settings tab. This is where you can configure all the important settings for your repository, including access permissions. Once you're in the Settings section, look at the left panel. You'll see a list of different configuration options. Scroll through this menu until you find the option labeled Collaborators. Click on it. This section is specifically designed to manage who can access and contribute to your private repository. On the Collaborators page, you'll see an option to add people to your repository. Click the Add People button. This will open up a search field where you can invite new collaborators. In the search field that appears, you can type the person's GitHub username, their full name, or their email address. GitHub will automatically search for matching accounts as you type. Once you see the correct person in the results, click on their name to select them and then click Add. This sends them an invitation to access your private repository. The person you've invited will receive an email notification about the invitation, and they'll need to accept it before they can access your repository. Once they accept, they'll be able to view, clone, and contribute to your private repository based on the permissions you've set. And that's it. You've successfully given someone access to your private GitHub repository, making collaboration smooth and secure. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.